What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I'm down in the bottom here in Miami at Dayland Mall. That's right, and I'm about to head in right there to the iPhone store, or the Apple store, my bad, and find out how people are feeling about the new iPhone 16. Now, it is being released today, and we're gonna go inside, check it out, behind these fountains. All right, so I'm inside. As you can see, it is a packed house here for the new release of the iPhone 16. As you can see, there is a line lining up. They got all the goodies here on the table. People are picking up their iPhones, upgrading their stuff, and we're gonna get in here in a little bit and see what's going on. All right, so I'm at the Apple buffet, or the iPhone buffet. They got the iPhone 16s out here. They also have the iPhone 16 Pluses out on the table. Everybody's out here. You got the Pro Edition and the Pro Max. Big boys over there. Everybody's here just kind of picking up their phones, playing with their phones, doing their thing. So we're gonna continue to do a little tour of release day here in Miami. All right, so we got the flagship over here. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max in all its glory. So we're gonna go ahead and check out some of the colors that they have here on display. They got the desert sand, I believe, this one, and then they got the like a silver one. They also have the white, which is very popular, and the one I personally like is just the black. Just hit them with the stealth. But yeah, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max with that new camera button. So if you open it up there on the side, let's do that again. Boom. And then you get to do your thing as you use it there on the side. As you can see, you can zoom in, do all your things, and so that's kind of cool. I think it's a flex by Apple, but at least they're getting it done. You got the larger screen, better chip, better battery, so it looks kind of cool. All right, so I just left the Apple store, and yeah, I think I unloaded the Brinks truck, as you can see. I had to grab a couple items from them, so I'll show you here so you guys can kind of get a taste. Got the Pro Max, 16 Pro Max. And just in case it's not my style, I also picked up the iPhone 16 Pro. So desert titanium and also natural titanium. So they were saying that the desert titanium is sold out, so you can't even get it right now. And the Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, I don't even think they have the iPhone 16 Pro. So I tried to talk to some people in there, but nah, they were all about their business. They didn't really want to go on camera, so I kept it moving. I'm gonna head back, unbox these, do some case videos, and keep it moving. So, but thanks so much for watching. Peace.